Hello guys, today I'm going to give a small description about the working of constructors in Java, how they work, how they are being actually implemented in Java programming. So let's get into the programming part. This is a program that I have already written, so I'll explain you how I actually uh, like use the constructors in Java. So this is how it goes. Firstly, I've created a class named test and I've declared three instance variables. Those are of private access specifier and of integer type, and then I've created a constructor. This is a constructor as it has no written type. This is no written type, and I've declared the values of a, b, and I've summed up the values and dumped up the value in c, and I'll explain about this method uh, after this one. Like I'll show why I have written this one. uh, to make the programming a bit easy. I've written this one, uh, public void display, which is an method, and I've declared two statements just to show the value, output the value. And I've closed this one, and I've written another class named Rambo, and in that I've written my main method using string as arguments. And in this is the declaration. This is the declaration of the object in the class test. Actually, when you compile a program, uh, with by default that JVM will create uh, a test object. By default it will be creating a object named test, which you cannot see, but through propeller you can see. I'll show the user at the end of the program. I mean, like how it's been created, uh, and this is the uh, method which has a return type, which is a return type. So since the instance variables are of private type, so it can be only the scope of the three variables are only limited to the class. So I've called the, like, actually this one, the test is an object. Actually the test is already here, which is a constructor, so it will directly invoke the constructor. It will directly invoke the constructor. So it will, the processing starts, like, I mean, the execution of instruction will be like this: A will be assigned to 54, B will be 232, and C will be the sum value of both the A and B. And through, and the next step will be display method will be invoked, and from there the control, like, goes in here, prints out the values, and comes out. So the main concept here is you need to have a basic idea of what constructor is, and I'm going to show that. Like, in this program I've created a constructor with the same name, like test is the class name, and the same name I've used it for constructor. So directly it'll control goes up here, control from here goes up to here, and the execution starts from there. So, like, we'll check the execution of the program, then I'll show what I mean to, like, say whether constructor has been, like, the I mean, the creation of default object and all that. I'll show through the command prompt. We're going to run the instructions. Yeah, sorry. This one. Yeah, yeah. This is the output. So the values of A, B, and the sum of value, and this is the other statement which I have written. Now, like, I'll show uh, like what I have, the object default object is created. I'll show. Please wait. Yeah. I'll create another class here for your use. Class temp, and provide I provide no arguments in this. See now how it will be like. By default it is compiled. You've given no arguments, and you with the profiler you can see, yeah, compiled from Rambo. This is the thing. Yeah. So this is the main concept behind the constructor. So you need to be like aware of this one. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.